What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYOP. Yo, y'all want to take this ride with me today? Got a few things to do. Got to sell some products, man. Got to get a cut. And I got to pick up some things for the fam. All right? So, rock with your boy. Let me get dressed. Looking crazy right now. Out here looking crazy, but I'm about to look fresh in a minute though after I get this cut. You already know. Make these sales. You know, then I'm right back to the crib. I think my daughter said she wanna watch a movie, man. You know? I guess Indiana Jones got a new movie out or some shit, man. I don't know. So I'm gonna do that with her later. I don't have anything to make today, but we're gonna get into something, y'all. Enjoy this ride. Got your boy looking dead right now. Y'all see the difference now? You see the difference now? Ready for the world, baby. Let's go. Let's keep it pushing. I gotta get some gift cards, but I just walked the hell out, man. That line too long. I don't got time to be spending 45 minutes in no line just for some gift cards. I'm just gonna go to another store. All right, I'm waiting for my man. He wants some hoodies. I just tried to go to the mall real quick, man. I saw that line, man. That traffic, nah, that's out. I don't do that. So, we ain't gonna be going to the mall right now. All right, let me, I'll be back real quick, y'all. My man just said come inside. So, let me run up in there, give him this shit real quick. Right back. some more, y'all. All right, yeah. So that's all set. So yo, we gotta I gotta try to get these gift cards, man. I gotta go to Target too. You know, get them Goodfellow tees. So let's go ahead and do that, yo. All right. So we made our sales. We're gonna go to Target, and we're gonna head back to the crib. Been out, you know, for quite some time. All right, let's get it.
Now you flipping, right? Huh? What's up? Shit away, man. I ain't trying to hurt nobody. This love. Oh, he touched me. This love. Oh, he touched me. This love.
It's Target. You see that Target sign? Crowded in here, man. Real. Don't got time for that. It's a nice spot. Bang. Shit looking kind of flooded. I ain't never been to this particular one. All right, joint 45 minutes from my crib. 45 minutes from my house. Now, if I'm in the line for more than 10 minutes, I'm putting everything back and I'm leaving. Because I don't got that type of time. So, let's hope we ain't in here longer than that. All right, go to the men's section. Let's see, find them tees. Oh, so over here. So these Goodfellows. Goodfellow. Goodfellow. Here we go. All right. Oh man. I see the V-necks. They don't got the crew neck. Dropping stuff. Okay. So they got 1 pack of large. We do need that. Let's grab that one. Let's put back what we don't want. What we dropped. You know, we don't want to make a mess in the store. Alright. Let's look for the crew necks. Damn, y'all, I don't see my size. I don't see my size, y'all. They don't got the 2X for your boy. But I'll take the largest. Large V-neck for my son. Like I said, I ain't doing no extra looking around. I'm out. Hopefully I can get into this self-checkout and it's short because I got to go. Alright, well I see some gift cards. Let's see if they got what I need. Nope. Oh, we need some Dunkin' Donuts joints. I don't see none. I don't see no Dunkin' Donuts over here. Oh yeah, we do need a Panera though. Yeah, let's grab that $25 Panera bread joint. All right, so it wasn't that bad. Yeah, probably was in the line for 10 minutes. Didn't take that long to find an item, but they didn't have what I needed for me, but they had what I needed for somebody else, so that works. Let's get back on this road. Yo, I don't know what's going on, but it's like everywhere I go, it's like they out of gift cards. They don't got the gift card I need. All I'm looking for is a fucking Dunkin' Donuts gift card. I can't even get that. How hard is it to find a Dunkin' Donuts gift card, y'all? Golly! Come on! All right, y'all, so I'm back at the spot. Yo, I appreciate y'all spending the day with me, man. Yo, it was a little crazy, a lot of stuff, you know. I ain't turned the camera on for, but man, shit was kind of hectic. Y'all, I'm saying, y'all seen your boy like running around, like trying to like, but whatever, all right? Till next time, skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.